Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a game in Thunkable using an easy method. Thunkable is a fantastic no-code platform that empowers anyone to create mobile applications and games without writing a single line of complex code. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and visual block-based programming make the entire development process straightforward and enjoyable. You can bring your game ideas to life quickly and efficiently, even if you're a complete beginner. Once you have a game idea, the next step is to design your interface. Think about what your players will see and interact with. Thunkable offers a wide array of visual components, like buttons, images, and text labels, which you can simply drag onto your screen. Arrange these elements using layout containers to create an organized and visually appealing game environment. Customizing colors, fonts, and sizes helps make your game unique and engaging for players. Now for the exciting part, bringing your game to life with logic. Thunkable uses a visual block-based coding system, which is incredibly easy to grasp. You'll connect event blocks like when button clicked to action blocks that change scores, move characters, or display messages. Implement variables to keep track of game data, such as a player's score or remaining lives. Conditional logic allows you to define win or lose scenarios, making your game dynamic and interactive. Before sharing your masterpiece, thorough testing is crucial. Use the Thunkable Live app on your mobile device to test your game in real time, ensuring everything works as intended. If you encounter any glitches, the platform makes debugging straightforward. Once satisfied, prepare your game for publication by adding compelling screenshots and a clear description. You can then easily publish your game to both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, reaching a wide audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.